Guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can exit power reserve mode for your Apple Watch 7. So if you have turned on power reserve to save or prolong your battery, then to exit it, what you need to do is pressing on the side button and hold, press and hold for a few seconds until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. Okay, so let's press it and hold. Press and hold now. So continue to press and hold for a few seconds. Once you see the Apple logo appear, just let go of the button, and this will allow the watch to boot up and exit power reserve mode. Now, if you have a password or passcode on your Apple Watch, you need to put in the passcode to go back to your watch face or the clock face. So you can see the watch has now got out of the mode and is booting up. Just give it a few seconds to boot up the device. So now I'm going to put in my passcode, and that's it. Now I'm back to my normal screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.